What's up, everybody? Welcome to Production Music Live. My name is Guido. I am over from Cat and Beats, and together with Production Music Live, we've made another mixing and mastering tutorial. So before we get into any of the nitty-gritty and a little bit of an overview of the project, let's just have a quick little A and B. All right, so before, the song sounded like this. Like this. Before. And after. So, if you're interested in learning every single step of the way, well, you're in luck because I recorded every single step of the way and also explained everything that was going on. So it's literally live mixing. You're sitting right next to me, and the whole time I'm telling you this is an EQ, and this is a common type of use of EQ. This is console saturation, and this is tape saturation. Do you hear the difference? Does it make a difference for us in the track? I even go as far as showing you really advanced throws. For instance, we have another throw here with first going into Echo Boy, after that into a reverb, then into wow control, then into filter freak, and then after that going into a beautiful little LFO tool that I've made, especially for this. So it's pretty cool, if I do say so myself. And we even have some artificial intelligence, for instance, with Golfos and with Neutron doing a little bit of its part as well. So if you're interested in learning compression from mid-side dynamic compression with an EQ to old school compression using a glue compressor and internal sidechaining, and if this stuff doesn't make any sense to you, it will after this tutorial. You will learn every step of the way. It's a really good time. And it would be lovely to see you on the course. Anyway, my name was Guido from Cat and Beats. Thanks, Production Music Live. To everybody else, I'll see you guys soon on the course. Take care.